Dito sa Pasig, ngayon ang araw ng koleksyon ng basura. Basura! Trash! Cheka. Diyos ko, sino bang makakalimot dun sa trash incident na yan sa Drag Race Philippines? Hanggang second season, dala-dala pa rin nila yan. Ewan ko na lang, no? I never really got the chance to address this publicly. Pero I really think na kung ano man ang meron sa buhay ko ngayon, I owe it to that very moment. Sa totoo lang. If that incident didn't happen, things would have been different probably. Kasi at that time, hindi naman ako ganun kasikat na true girl alongside my sisters. Mas maraming fans yung iba eh. But that very moment, I was able to show something else. It was an opportunity for me to showcase not the dancing skills, of course, not the makeup, not the fashion, not the comedy. I was able to show them something that's more substantial. And that is character. At that moment, my character was tested. Kasi where people would have expected me to, I don't know, magmura, magtanggal ng sapatos at ihagis yun sa mga judges and whatnot, I stood my ground, believed in myself when it was so difficult, show them grace. Pwede pala yun. Kahit saan ka dalhin, kahit anong gawin sa'yo, anong sabihin sa'yo, you can hold on to your values. You can be a person of principle. Hayaan mo yung character yung manaig. The purpose of this video is not to look back at balikan yung mga haters ko or anything. I'm sure meron sa inyong dumaan na rin sa time na you did your best, you gave everything that you have, and marami kang mga narinig na masasakit na salita. Now, what I have to say about that is, by the end of the day, hayaan nyo yung character, yung maging anchor nyo to handling it. Di mo kailangan laging sumagot. Di mo kailangan laging patulan. Di mo kailangan laging maging tama. Kailangan mo lang maging totoo sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo lang malaman na pag binigay mo yung lahat and that's all that matters. And good karma is on your way. Because karma is a boyfriend. Karma is a god. Karma is a god. Anyway, karma is a relaxing thought. Aren't you obvious that for you was not... Ah! Ay,